Ever wondered how to make quick and easy egg dishes? Today we're embarking on a culinary journey that centers around one versatile ingredient, the egg. We'll be showcasing 5 delightful recipes that are not only simple to prepare but also incredibly satisfying. From the classic scrambled eggs to a quick egg-fried rice, from savory breakfast muffins to the perfect poached egg, and finally, an egg salad sandwich. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a simple lunch, or a light dinner, we've got you covered. Let's crack into it. First up, the classic scrambled eggs. A dish that's as timeless as it is tasty, scrambled eggs are the perfect way to start your morning, or as a quick and satisfying meal at any time of the day. Our ingredients are simple: eggs, butter or oil, and a bit of salt and pepper for taste. The tools you'll need are also straightforward: a non-stick skillet and a spatula. Now let's get cracking. Start by breaking your eggs into a bowl. For a single serving, I'd recommend 2 to 3 eggs, but feel free to adjust according to your appetite. Whisk the eggs until the yolks and whites are fully combined. This is also the point where you'll add a pinch of salt and pepper. Not too much, just enough to bring out the natural flavor of the eggs. Next, heat your non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add a small amount of butter or oil, just enough to lightly coat the bottom of the pan. Once the butter has melted or the oil is hot, pour in your whisked eggs. Here's where the magic happens. With your spatula, gently stir the eggs in the skillet. The key here is patience. Resist the urge to crank up the heat or stir too vigorously. The eggs will slowly start to form soft curds. Continue stirring, making sure to scrape the bottom of the skillet to prevent the eggs from sticking. Once the eggs are mostly cooked but still slightly runny, remove the skillet from the heat. The residual heat will continue to cook the eggs to a perfect fluffy consistency. If you prefer your eggs more well done, feel free to leave them on the heat a bit longer. And there you have it. Classic scrambled eggs, ready in just a few minutes. Plate them up as they are, or pair them with some toast and bacon for a full breakfast spread. Serve hot and enjoy your quick, delicious breakfast. Next, let's make some quick egg fried rice. This dish is as versatile as it is delicious, and it's an excellent way to use up leftover rice and veggies. To start, we'll need some cooked rice. This can be leftover from yesterday's dinner, or you could whip up a fresh batch. Just make sure it's cooled before you begin. Now, onto the eggs. We're going to scramble them lightly just until they're set but still soft. No need for any additional seasoning here, as we'll be adding plenty of flavor later on. Next, let's talk veggies. Peas, carrots, and corn are traditional, but feel free to get creative. Got some bell peppers or zucchini in the fridge? Toss them in. The more colorful your dish, the better. Once your veggies are prepped, it's time to assemble everything in a wok or a large skillet. A bit of oil is all you need to get things started. First, scramble your eggs in the wok and set them aside. Then, in goes your rainbow of veggies. Give those a quick stir until they're just starting to soften. Now for the main event, the rice. Add it to the wok along with your scrambled eggs. A generous splash of soy sauce brings everything together, adding that classic fried rice flavor we all know and love. The final touch, some chopped green onions for a pop of color and a burst of fresh flavor. Stir it all together until everything is well combined and heated through. And there you have it, quick, easy, and absolutely delicious egg fried rice. Whether you're serving it as a side dish or a main course, it's sure to be a hit. And the best part? It's ready in minutes, making it perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something tasty but don't have a lot of time to cook. So go ahead and give this quick egg fried rice a try. You might just find it becomes a regular in your dinner rotation. A perfect meal in minutes. For a grab-and-go breakfast, try Savory breakfast muffins. These little gems are a perfect blend of convenience and taste, packed with protein and veggies to start your day right. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's warming up, gather your ingredients. You'll need eggs, milk, your choice of cheese, and a medley of chopped vegetables. Bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, spinach, or even tomatoes work wonderfully. Feel free to mix and match based on your preference. Now let's get to the tools. You'll need a whisk, a mixing bowl, and a muffin tin. If you don't have a non-stick muffin tin, don't worry. A quick spray of cooking oil or a bit of butter will ensure your muffins pop right out after baking. Once you've got everything ready, crack your eggs into the mixing bowl. Add a splash of milk to make your muffins fluffy. Then whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Next, fold in your cheese and chopped vegetables. This is your chance to get creative. You could add some cooked bacon or ham, or even a sprinkle of your favorite herbs for extra flavor. Once your mixture is well combined, it's time to fill your muffin tin. You want to fill each cup about 2/3 full. This allows room for the muffins to rise without overflowing. Pop your filled muffin tin into the preheated oven and set your timer for 20 minutes. As they bake, the muffins will puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown. A quick way to check if they're done is to insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes out clean, they're ready to come out. Let them cool for a few minutes in the tin before moving them to a wire rack. And there you have it, savory breakfast muffins that are as delicious as they are transportable, ready to be enjoyed on your morning commute or as a mid-morning snack. Now, wasn't that exciting? Poached eggs are simpler than you think. This classic yet often overlooked dish is a delightful addition to your culinary repertoire. With a silky yolk encased in a cloud of white, it's a treat that's as delicious as it is nutritious. To begin, gather your ingredients, just eggs and vinegar. Yes, that's all you need. The tools required are also minimal, a pot of water and a slotted spoon. There's beauty in simplicity, isn't there? Let's start with the cooking process. First, fill your pot with enough water to submerge an egg fully. Bring this water to a light simmer. Not a rolling boil, mind you, but a gentle simmer with small bubbles rising to the surface. Next, add a generous splash of vinegar. This isn't for flavor, but it helps the egg whites coagulate more quickly, keeping your poached egg in a neat little package. Now, the fun part. Crack your egg into a bowl. This gives you more control when you add it to the water. Then, with your spoon, stir the water in one direction to create a whirlpool. This whirlpool will help the egg white wrap around the yolk, giving your poached egg its characteristic shape. Once your whirlpool is ready, gently drop the egg into the center. You'll see the egg white swirling around the yolk. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. This timing will give you a firm white and a runny yolk, which is the classic way to enjoy a poached egg. After the cooking time, use your slotted spoon to lift the egg out of the water. Let it drain for a moment over the pot, then transfer it to a paper towel to absorb any remaining water. There you have it, a simple, elegant poached egg. It's a versatile dish that you can serve on toast, with salad, or even as a topping for your favorite pasta. Perfect for a healthy, protein-packed meal. Finally, a quick egg salad sandwich, a quintessential classic that's easy to make and oh so tasty to eat. It's a versatile dish that you can customize to your heart's content. To start, you'll need some hard-boiled eggs. Now, the beauty of this recipe is in its simplicity. All you need to do is chop up these eggs into small, bite-sized pieces. Once done, put these aside as it's time to prepare the other components of the salad. Next, grab some mayonnaise. The creaminess of the mayo works wonders in bringing this dish together. Add this to your chopped eggs, then squirt in a bit of mustard. The mustard adds a tangy kick that beautifully complements the richness of the eggs and mayo. Now, for some crunch, we add chopped celery. This gives the egg salad a nice texture contrast. Mix all these ingredients together and voila, your egg salad is ready. But we're not done yet. To season, you can add salt and pepper to taste. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a sprinkle of paprika or a dash of hot sauce. Lastly, it's time to assemble the sandwich. You could use any bread you like, white, wheat, rye, or even a croissant. If you're watching your carbs, tuck this delightful egg salad into lettuce wraps. The crunch of the lettuce with the creamy egg salad is a match made in heaven. Serve on bread or tucked into lettuce wraps for a low-carb option. Thank you for joining us on Eggcellent Recipes. We've cracked open the world of quick and egg-citing dishes today. From classic scrambled eggs to a simple egg salad sandwich, these recipes are here to transform your meals in minutes. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a newbie in the kitchen, these dishes bring the ease and flavor of eggs to your plate. So get cracking and try these at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!